Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video we will discuss about how we increase iPhone or iPad battery health. Is it possible or not? So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. Without replacing iPhone battery there is no chance to increase iPhone battery health. The first thing that we have to keep in mind, the battery health increase to less than 80% on your old iPhone, not a new one, then go for replace it, cause this is hardware issue. Number 2, if you are facing that issue with your new iPhone, then go for warranty to Apple. But before go to Apple, do the following steps. Disconnect your Wi-Fi and leave your iPhone on charge to maximum 100%. Then force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And after force restart, check you will get rid of this issue or not. If you're still facing the same issue, then use the third tip. Go to settings, general, reset all settings, put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. After doing the following steps, if you're still facing the same issue, then go for replace iPhone battery. But we try to maintain iPhone battery health by the following tips. Number 1, do not use while charging. Disconnect Wi-Fi if not in use. Number 3, do not use Wi-Fi while charging. That's it. Hopefully friends, this video is very informative for you. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.